In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize working and non-working days in Jira. If you're managing a project in Jira and need to customize your team's schedule, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to accurately set up your working calendar, ensuring your team doesn't miss a beat. First, head over to your company managed project in Jira. Once you're there, it's time to choose a board to work with. This is typically the board where your team keeps track of its tasks and ongoing progress. So choose the most relevant board to your needs because this customization will apply specifically to it. Next, you'll want to navigate to the settings of your selected board. You can do this by clicking on the three dots that you will notice right next to your board's name. This More menu contains several options, but for now focus on selecting board settings. By accessing these settings, you're about to tailor the board to your team's unique requirements. Upon arriving at the board settings menu, look for the working days tab and click on it. This is where you'll begin to configure the actual days that impact your team's work schedule. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section, as it contains all the options you'll need for customization. Now that you're in the working days tab, it's time to define the standard working days for your team. Typically, these are the weekdays your team is regularly scheduled to work. Go ahead and select these days so that Jira is properly aligned with your expected work patterns. This way the system can account for these days when planning tasks and deadlines. In the same tab, you have the option to address any non-working days, such as holidays or special leave dates. These can be specified easily. Simply use the date picker under non-working days to select a specific date your team won't be working. After choosing a date, be sure to click Add Date so that it reflects on your team's calendar. This feature is especially useful for accommodating national holidays or company-wide breaks. If you need to remove a non-working day for any reason such as a date change or error, you can do so by selecting the X next to the date in question. This ensures your calendar remains accurate and without clutter. Additionally, if your team operates in a different time zone than that of the server, you can select your team's specific time zone within the settings. Time zone accuracy is crucial, particularly for international teams, to ensure everyone is on the same page regarding deadlines and meetings. Finally, should you need to change the board's default time zone, you have the option to select a region, followed by choosing the specific time zone from the drop-down lists offered. This step guarantees that every aspect of your board's scheduling remains coherent and precise, and there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to perfectly tailoring the working and non-working schedule in Jira to fit your team's needs.